At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A medical referral form is an essential document used in healthcare whenever a patient needs to be referred from one medical professional to another for specialised or complementary care. It's like a customer referral form in business, but here instead of recommending new clients, doctors are connecting patients to the specialised care they need. This form typically includes the patient's demographics such as their name, date of birth and contact details, along with essential medical information like current treatments, medications and relevant medical history. The form may also contain instructions on who should see the patient first and which tests might be necessary to ensure accurate diagnosis or treatment. The medical referral form serves two main purposes. First, it ensures that all critical information is passed along accurately so the next provider has a complete picture of the patient's health. Second, it acts as an official record, keeping the information consistent across all providers involved in patients' care, reducing the risk of data entry errors or miscommunication. Using this form is straightforward. Here's a quick guide to making the most of it. Firstly, download the template. You can find a link to the downloadable template linked in the description below. Or you can sign up to Carepatron for free, where you have access to our extensive template library. Collect medical professional information. Be sure to include details for both the referring doctor and the receiving specialist. This ensures easy communication and allows providers to follow up with each other if needed. Gather patient information. Include specific details about the patient's condition, medical history, and current treatment. This gives the specialist the necessary context to move directly to targeted assessments or treatments. Send the form. Once completed, email the form to the intended healthcare professional. Always double check the email address and attachment, as medical information is confidential and sending it to the wrong recipient can lead to serious privacy issues. Using a medical referral form helps healthcare providers ensure that patients receive appropriate, timely, and coordinated care. The streamlined communication process improves health outcomes, reduces delays, and boosts patient satisfaction by connecting them with the right specialist for their needs. If you'd like to see a sample of our medical referral form, check out the example we've provided. And to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.